commands are used when you are a more informal situation, like when you're with friends or you're with your family, or you're with your pet, you're talking to your pet or something like that. They're never used in more formal situations, like, let's say, a job interview, or when you're talking to your boss, or when you are with a doctor in a medical appointment. So they are for the more day-to-day relationships of your life. Okay, let's look at the verb hablar. Hablar ends in AR, okay? And if you want to form the affirmative to command, you say habla. The negative to command, okay, would be no hables. No hables. Habla, no hables. Beber, okay. Beber, mandato positivo, affirmative command. Bebe, bebe. Negative command, mandato negativo, no bebas, no bebas. Escribir, escribir, ok, mandato afirmativo, affirmative command, escribe. Mandato negativo, negative command, no escribas. Now, can you tell the rules of the informal commands, the to commands? Okay, the to command is formed when it is an affirmative command. You use the third person of the indicative. Él o ella come, come. Él o ella bebe. Él o ella camina. Okay? You use the indicative, the third person of the indicative. The negative command, however, you use the second person of the subjunctive. Okay? Tú no comas. Tú no bebas. Tú no corras. And they're only in singular. Remember that the formal commands have a singular form and a plural form. In the to commands, we only have singular form. Okay, these are the irregular affirmative to commands, and they can be confusing. So I suggest that you actually memorize them. These are only a few, but they're used very frequently. For example, decir, di, hacer, haz, ir, ve, poner, pon, salir, sal, ser, sé, tener, ten, venir, ven. We have here another picture in which you have irregular to commands, both in the affirmative and in the negative. Affirmative, negative. Decir, di, no digas. Salir, sal, no salgas. Okay, let's look at some of the irregular to commands. Okay, tener. Okay. Ten cuidado al cruzar la calle. No tengas cuidado al cruzar la calle. Indicative, indicative, subjunctive. Okay, venir. Okay, venir. Ven a la universidad. Ven a la universidad is the affirmative command, el mandato afirmativo. No vengas a la universidad es el mandato negativo. It is the negative command. Decir. Di la verdad. Di la verdad. No digas la verdad. No digas la verdad. Salir. Sal con el perro. No salgas con el perro. Hacer. Haz la tarea. Indicative. No hagas la tarea. Subjunctive. Poner. Pon los libros en la mesa. No pongas los libros en la mesa. Like in the formal commands, we can have two commands with direct and indirect pronouns. Let's say the sentence haz la tarea, okay? Haz la tarea is a complete sentence and the direct object is la tarea, okay? And the direct pronoun for la tarea is la, okay? In the affirmative to command, we put the pronoun at the end of the command, forming a single word, hazla. In the negative, it's different. You put the direct pronouns before the verb. No la hagas. No la hagas. Okay, let's look at the sentence, pon los libros en la mesa. Okay, how would you make the affirmative to command? Well, in this sentence, the direct object is los libros, okay, los libros. And the direct object pronoun for los libros, which is plural, is los. So you're going to put the direct pronoun at the end of the command. Okay, ponlos, ponlos. In the negative command, we put the direct pronoun before the verb. No los pongas. Now let's look at this sentence. Di la verdad a tus padres. Okay, in this sentence we have a direct object, la verdad. We have also an indirect object, a tus padres. Okay, if you wanna use the indirect pronoun for los padres, which is les, okay, you're gonna put it after the command. Diles la verdad. In the negative to command, is before the verb. No les digas la verdad. Okay, let's imagine that's me, okay? This is me, okay? Okay, and let's look at the sentence, dame el dinero, okay? Me is a indirect pronoun, okay? Sorry, okay? It's an indirect pronoun. And you're gonna put it after the command, dame el dinero. And if the command is in the negative, you're gonna put it before the verb. No me des el dinero. Now let's imagine that we want to use both pronouns in the sentence at the same time. Okay, the indirect and the direct pronouns, okay? And the direct pronoun for dinero is lo, okay? El dinero es lo. The indirect pronoun for me is me, okay? So, dame el dinero, okay, is the affirmative command. No me des el dinero is the negative command. And when we combine both pronouns, me y lo, okay, the indirect comes first. Da, me, lo, okay, forming a single word, okay, dámelo, dámelo. In the negative to command, okay, first is the indirect, then is the direct, and then is a verb. No me lo des, no me lo des. Also with two commands, we sometimes encounter reflexive verbs like acostarse and bañarse and levantarse. Okay, how do we do the affirmative command? Acuéstate, acuéstate. Okay, and the pronoun of the reflexive verbs, verb comes at the end of the command. Acuéstate. Okay? In the negative to command, you put it before the command. No te acuestes. No te acuestes. Okay? Bañarse. Okay, the affirmative to command is bañate. Bañate. Okay? The negative to command is no te bañes. First the no, then the reflexive pronoun, then the verb. Okay. Levantarse, the affirmative to command. Levántate. The negative to command. No te levantes. ¿Preguntas?